So first, let's imagine this scenario where I have my source system running 12102, and in my target system, I create a brand new 19C database in an empty pluggable PDB. So I have my table spaces here, and for this scenario, I'm also going cross-endedness. So imagine that my source system maybe is running in AIX, and my target system is in Oracle Cloud, running in a DBAS system, which is Oracle Linux. So they have different endedness format. The first thing I do is I take a level 0 image backup of my data table spaces, not of the system table spaces. So I take this level 0 image backup, I move it to the target system, I convert it, and I restore it. Now, what I can do is I can schedule and keep taking level 1 incremental backups of those data table spaces. And then I move those incremental backups to this target system, I convert, and I apply them on the top of the data files that are already restored. So I keep doing this in a loop, can be every hour, can be every 6 hours, can be every day, depends on the workload you have. So you can schedule it to happen. And finally, after taking several level 1 incremental backups, when it comes to the migration window, you put your source data files in read-only mode for the data table spaces, not for the system table spaces. So you put it in read-only mode, then you take a final level 1 incremental backup. This is very similar with what we see in the RMAN strategy. We take this final level 1 incremental backup, we convert and we recover the data files in the target environment with this backup. And at this point, we have them in the same SCM. They are synced. They are equal, but in different endedness. Now, finally, what we do is we do a full transportable export in the source system, and we import it on the target system. When we do the impdp for transportable, where we do specify the transportable data files, at this point in time, our data files are plugged in the target system, and the metadata is imported as well. So now we have our database ready in the target system.